In this example, we want to use the binomial theorem to expand the fifth power of 2x minus y squared. You will use binomial theorem, which in expanded form is written on the right. First, we'll write this binomial as the sum, so this is going to be 2x plus negative y squared and everything to the fifth power. And now we'll write expanded form, which is 5 choose 0, the first term, which is 2x to the power fifth, and the second term, which is negative y squared to the 0 power. And then we'll have 5 choose 1 binomial coefficient, 2x to the power 4, and negative y squared to the power 1. And we'll continue with that formula. We'll have 5 choose 2, 2x to the power 3, and negative y squared to the power 2. Next term will be 5 choose 3, 2x to the power 2, negative y squared to the power 3. And then 5 choose 4, 2x to the power 1 times negative y squared to the power 4. And finally, we'll have 5 choose 5, 2x to the 0 power times negative y squared to the power 5. And we'll continue with computing the binomial coefficients and the powers. So 5 choose 0 is 1, and then we have 2x to the power fifth, which results in 2 to the power 5 times x. And negative y squared to the 0 power is 1. This is x to the fifth, of course. Then we'll have 5 choose 1, which is 5. 2x to the power fourth will be 2 to the power fourth times x to the power fourth. And then we multiply by negative y squared to the first power, which is negative y squared. Plus 5 choose 2 is 10, so we'll have 10, then we'll have 2 to the third, x to the third, and when we raise negative y squared to the second power, we'll have just y to the fourth. And then we'll have 5 choose 3, that is also 10. 2x squared will be 2 squared times x squared, and then negative y squared cube is going to give me negative y to the 6th power. Then we'll have 5 choose 4, which is 5, times 2x, and negative y squared to the 4th power is going to be positive y to the 8. And then we'll have 5 choose 5, which is 1, 2x to the 0 is 1, and negative y squared to the power fifth is going to give me negative y to the 10th. Okay, 2 to the power fifth is 32. 2 to the power fourth is 16. 2 to the power third is 8, and 2 to the power 2 is 4. So if we multiply those numbers, we'll have the 32x to the fifth. Then we'll have 5 times 16, and with the minus sign attached to negative y squared, we'll have a minus 80 x to the fourth y squared. And then we'll have plus 10 times 8 is 80 x cubed y to the fourth. And then we'll have negative 40 x squared y to the sixth. And then 10 x y to the eighth, and finally minus y to the 10th. And this is the expansion of that binomial.